Compressions and rarefactions are sent out from a tuning fork as it vibrates backwards and forwards. The frequency of vibration is 50 Hz. A compression is at point P, and how much time is going to elapse before the next rarefaction arrives at P. So we are going to use this formula, which is F equals to 1 over T. We have seen this a lot, and the reason for this is that frequency is the number of cycles that you see in 1 second, and T is the amount of time it takes to complete one cycle. So if we want to find out how many cycles the wave will go through in 1 second, how many cycles we're going to see in 1 second, well, we take 1 and we divide by T. So what we're going to see is that actually the other way to write it is T equals to 1 over F. This is just manipulating our variables over here, and it's actually just going to work out to 1 over 50, which is 0.02. So 0.02 seconds. That's going to be our period. So now let's go look at what happens here. We have our rarefactions and our compressions, and our one period is going to be the time taken to go through one entire cycle. So what is one cycle? One cycle is going to be from one compression, then after that you're going to see a rarefaction, and then finally it's going to go back to your compression, and that is your one cycle, because after that it will repeat. It will go to a rarefaction and then go back to a compression. So that's your one full cycle, and it takes 0.02 seconds. So they want us to tell them how much time elapses before you see your next rarefaction. So that's going to be half of your cycle. So they're actually asking us to give them T over 2. Sorry, let me just write it a bit more clearly. T over 2. That's what they're asking us to give them. And that's actually just going to be 0.01 seconds. This is our answer.